Want to make your PowerPoint slides look professional and unforgettable? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add stunning background graphics to any PowerPoint presentation in 2025. Whether you're creating a school project, a business pitch, or a creative portfolio, this simple method will take your slides from plain to powerful. Let's get started. Open your presentation. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and navigate to the presentation you want to enhance. Select the specific slide where you'd like to add a background graphic. You can do this for one slide or apply it to multiple slides later on. Access the Background Formatting panel. Right-click anywhere on the blank area of the slide, not on a text box or image. From the menu that pops up, choose Format Background. This will open a customization panel on the right side of your screen, giving you full control over how your background looks. Choose an image fill. In the Format Background panel, select Picture or Texture Fill. This tells PowerPoint you want to use an image, not just a solid color or gradient. Instantly, the options for inserting a picture become available. Insert your graphic. Click the Insert button located under Picture Source. A menu will appear with several options for a professional look. Select Stock Images. PowerPoint's built-in gallery has thousands of high-quality, royalty-free photos and illustrations, perfect for any theme. Pick and apply the image. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find a design that matches your presentation's vibe. When you find the perfect image, click it, then press Insert. PowerPoint immediately applies the image as the background of your selected slide. You'll see the transformation right away. Customize if needed. If the image feels too bright or bold, adjust the transparency slider in the same panel. This can make your text easier to read while still keeping that stylish background effect. You can also choose Apply to All at the bottom of the panel if you want this background across your entire presentation. And that's it! In just a few clicks, you've added eye-catching background graphics that make your slides stand out and keep your audience engaged. If you found this 2025 guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips, and share it with someone who wants to level up their presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!